Welcome to the new era of AdiLogiX. In our latest release, we've added powerful native BACnet IP support, unlocking seamless connectivity with modern building automation systems. In this case study, witness how AdiLogiX turns BACnet-driven hospital infrastructure into a smart, fully unified management platform. This system overview illustrates how AdiLogiX connects field devices, control systems, and operators into a single, secure architecture. At the core is the AdiLogiX data engine responsible for device communication, data normalization, and real-time processing. AdiLogiX communicates with building devices over an industrial Ethernet network using BACnet IP. Every connection is actively monitored, ensuring visibility, reliability, and rapid fault detection. On the right, the tag status panel confirms real-time data availability from every critical point. This eliminates blind spots. Operators know instantly whether data is healthy or at risk. While this system uses BACnet IP, AdiLogiX is built as a true multi-protocol platform. In addition to BACnet IP, AdiLogiX natively supports Modbus TCPIP and Modbus RS 485, OPC-UA for enterprise and industrial systems, Siemens S7 controllers, Omron Fins PLCs, and MQTT. The Hospital BMS Global Overview, your single pane of glass for real-time facility performance, patient comfort, and compliance. At a glance, the system shows total site load in kilowatts, today's energy consumption with a day-on-day delta, and the UPS state and battery charge critical insight for uninterrupted care. The compliance KPI synthesizes environmental, pressure, and ACH metrics into a single score, so facility managers can see risk before it becomes an incident. This is the Critical Areas Compliance Dashboard, the most mission-critical view in the hospital building management system. At the top, we see the intensive care unit in real time. Each gauge represents a regulatory critical environmental parameter continuously monitored through BACnet IP devices. Room pressure, room temperature, and humidity ensure patient comfort and infection control. Air changes per hour verifies continuous air dilution and filtration. All values are validated live, no estimation, no delay. Below the gauges, door status is monitored in real time. Every open or close event is logged because even a few minutes of door mismanagement can compromise pressure integrity. On the right, the 24-hour pressure deviation trend provides complete historical traceability. Each data point represents an actual pressure reading. Spikes immediately indicate potential breaches, such as door openings or airflow disturbances. This timeline forms the backbone of compliance audits. Mini trend strips provide quick validation of temperature stability for ICU and OT zones. These microtrends help engineers and clinicians verify consistency without navigating away from the screen. This is the Energy and UPS Monitoring Dashboard, the command center for hospital power, efficiency, and electrical resilience. At the top, the energy summary provides instant visibility into the hospital's electrical load. Real-time active power from the main incomer shows the live demand on the facility. Today's total energy consumption tracks cumulative usage across the day. Peak demand is continuously compared against the contracted utility limit. When demand remains under the limit, the system confirms safe operation. If exceeded, it immediately flags risk, preventing penalties and unplanned costs. This is proactive energy governance. In the center, the power consumption breakdown transforms raw power data into operational insight. On the right, the UPS cluster ensures uninterrupted power to critical hospital systems. Input status confirms grid availability. Output load gauge shows real-time UPS utilization. Battery charge percentage indicates remaining backup capacity. UPS operating mode confirms readiness during grid disturbances. Built-in analytics translate electrical data into meaningful KPIs. Average energy per bed quantifies operational efficiency. UPS readiness status validates emergency preparedness. Energy distribution metrics reveal optimization opportunities. This is the HVAC monitoring screen for air handling unit for patient rooms, delivering real-time visibility into airflow, temperature, humidity, and system health. At the center of the screen, a live AHU process mimic visualizes the complete air path from return air intake to conditioned supply air delivery. Return air temperature and pressure are measured in real time. Fan status and differential pressure confirm airflow integrity. Filter pressure drop continuously tracks filter health. Supply air temperature and pressure. Verify cooling performance. Every value displayed here is directly sourced from BACnet IP field devices, no calculated assumptions. Each numeric label on the AHU diagram is interactive. By clicking on any live value, temperature, pressure, humidity, or fan parameters, the system instantly opens a real-time trend view for that specific point. This allows engineers to move seamlessly from overview to analysis without leaving the screen. On the right, the served room summary translates AHU performance into room-level comfort. Each room's actual temperature is compared against its set point. Deviation values clearly identify spaces drifting from comfort targets. This is where HVAC performance meets patient experience. This is the alarm view of system. The tabs displays both live and historical alarm view, enabling immediate response and complete analysis. All alarms are also delivered instantly through WhatsApp, Telegram, and email, ensuring the right teams are notified even outside the control room. With one-click export to PDF and Excel, alarm data is always audit-ready and easy to share. Fast alerts, full traceability, and zero blind spots. Because in a hospital, every alarm matters. This is the Critical Environment Compliance Report designed for infection control officers and facility managers. The report presents continuous, auditable evidence of room pressure, ACH, temperature, and humidity in ICU, OT, and isolation zones. Compliance status is included for regulatory audits. The Energy Consumption and Power Quality Report equips energy managers with daily and monthly views of site consumption, power factor, and peak demand. Breakdowns by main incomer, HVAC and critical equipment enable cost allocation and targeted efficiency projects. The report flags low power factor events that risk utility penalties and highlights peak windows for demand management. The HVAC Performance and Efficiency Report focuses on the systems that drive the hospital's largest energy spend. Key metrics include delta T, return minus supply, fan speed versus valve position, and filter pressure trends. Our analytics highlight AHUs with poor heat exchange or high fan duty, the exact symptoms of coil fouling or control issues, and prioritize preventive maintenance opportunities. Proactive HVAC interventions conserve energy, improve patient comfort, and reduce unplanned downtime. Create a professional industrial trending chart visualizing real-time BACnet device data. Display multiple smooth trend lines for BACnet points such as temperature, humidity, airflow, valve position, and energy meter values. Include clear grid lines, readable legends, a time-based x-axis, and a value-based y-axis. The chart should look modern, clean, accurate, and suitable for building automation, HVAC, smart buildings, and industrial monitoring. Provides a secure audit trail capturing user actions, system events, and configuration changes for traceability. Create a user management interface that allows administrators to add users, assign roles, and define permissions for system access. Support role-based access control with configurable privileges for viewing, editing, and managing system functions. Auto-generate daily, weekly, and monthly reports from BACnet device data with trends, alarms, and performance summaries.